Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on GU guys, but before we start to the analysis guys, I'm just gonna do a quick recap on GU. So if you're watching my previous analysis on GU, I think we're around this area right here and I have different scenarios. I said there's a possibility for us to push to my negative 27% fib level, which is 1.25528. I said there's a possibility for us to get there, then tank to the downside, or we might get to my 61.8% fib level, which is 1.25600, before we push to the downside, because that might give us like a possible third touch of the trend line. So I said we might push up to that level right here before flanking to the downside, right? And I also have different scenarios, because if you've been watching my analysis, I always have different scenarios because no one can predict the market. We can react to the market. So we can see we broke this trend line right here with this engulfing candle, came back to retest and continue to tank to the upside. And I said that if we continue to push to the upside, my target will be 1.25906, based on the fact that we broke the straight line, right, and we continue to see momentum of a buy, then that will be my next target right here. As you can see that my GU, it TP1, we can see it TP2, and also it TP3. It was an amazing trade guys. So we can see right here, and I also have the instance of, in case if we reject around this trend line right here, we continue to push to the downside, then 1.2504 will be my TP for the bear direction. So now that we are done with this, I'm just gonna delete my analysis, right guys, and just reanalyze GU based on the current price market that we have. Just like guys, if you've been watching my analysis, I like to do top down analysis, which means starting from bigger time frame to the smaller time frame. So if you watch my analysis when I was doing my top down analysis, right, when it hits my negative 27% fib level, you can go back to watch it if you don't watch it. I told you that around that zone is mostly my reversal area. So just because we got to my negative 27% fib level, there's a possibility for us to actually reverse to the upside, right? And we can see that we actually start reversing to the upside, and my target was certainly around here, because that was when we have the break of structure and the zone break of zone as well. So we might continue to retest this level right here, then continue to push to the downside. But if you want to see more momentum of a buy on GU, at least if you have a candlestick that closes above that zone and the candlestick have a lot of momentum of bull, then there's a possibility that our direction has changed from buy to sell, and we are now going to buy, and at least we should be expecting some push to the upside, more around this level right here, or more around this level right here, to have a touch of a trend line. But I don't want to analyze too far to the market. Let's take it one step at a time. So as of right now, this is where I think my buy might reject from. So depending on how we react around the zone right here will determine either we're going to continue to push to the downside or push to the upside. Like I said, we need data and more candlestick for more confirmation on that. So now let's go to my 4-hour time frame guys. So this is my 4-hour time frame guys. I think we might push, like I said, then either push to the upside or push to the downside based on the momentum we see right now. That will determine our next move, to be honest. So let's go to my smaller time frame. I'm not seeing anything that significant. Let's go to my 2-hour time frame. Nothing significant from the previous one I said. So if I draw a trend line right here from here to here, we can see that we have a breakout zone, right? But like I said, let's be mindful of the zone as well. So based on that, I'm not gonna put that zone right there, so it won't be confusing. I'm just gonna put right here, go to my 45-minute time frame and see. Okay, so just like I said, right, if we'll we might push up, right? If we push up and break the zone right here, retest the zone, certainly this will be my next target for the buy. 6620. That will be my next target for a buy, guys, right? But like I said, we have to be mindful. We might just get to the zone right here, then possibly push to the downside. Probably around here will be my next target for sale. So like I said, I think I'm just gonna wait and be patient and see how the market is gonna play around, because we can go either way, and depending on the momentum we have, like I said, for us, let's change the color of this. So for us to buy, right, let us see a breakout zone, right, a momentum that shows that we're going to continue to push to the buy. Then I'm going to take a trade for buy to this target right here, like I said. But if we push to the upside right here, to this trend line right here, which is 1.26111, and I see multiple rejections around this area, I see a momentum of a buy, of a sell, sorry, like a candlestick that's like a engulfing candlestick that shows a momentum of a sell, then there's a possibility it might continue to just tank to the downside. And if it tank to the downside, this will be my target right here. So this is my thoughts on GU right now, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. Let's be patient and see how the market will plays. That will determine either we're pushing to the downside or to the upside. So guys, let's be patient and see. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll do my possible best to answer to the best of my ability, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.